All right, we have some new Bluetti content. This is the trolley for the Apex. There's a bird somewhere. This is the trolley for the Apex. It is, I gotta tell you, I knew it was coming. I did not expect this sort of mass and bulk. This is an object. So let's, I'm gonna sit it down. We'll put it together or open it up and unfold it and see what's in here. Be right back. Okay, we're gonna try to do this a little bit easier. It's a chariot. These are brackets. Oh, very nice. Brackets. Okay, so that is it. We've got the trolley itself, or chariot. We've got two humongous wheels. Treaded, even. They're actually pneumatic. There's a valve stem there. And looks like ball bearing, or at least sleeved. There's a bearing in there. Let's get the other one. Some interesting packing. These two huge boxes just had one caster wheel each in them. Both to protect the unit and I guess keep the wheels separate. So that's kind of interesting. So we've got the main unit in this giant bag here. And this is substantial. A little axle protector. And a bungee clip. And it opens up. And it locked itself down. Wow, this thing is a beast. Let me find the materials to attach the wheels, and we'll go from there. Okay, and we're back online. I have reviewed the directions. They have manuals in English, French. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, separate manuals, language manuals, English manual. Very nice. Directions on assembly, and then usage and folding. And we're going to put it together if I have interpreted this all correctly. Oh, by the way, for the wheels here, there are these cute little Bluetti center caps. Isn't that neat? So let's all right, look at that. That is a thing. Okay, so let's review what we've got here. We've got clips that rotate here. So these are what the brackets are for. So it came with screws for the back of the Apex and the B300Ks, and it came with 6 brackets. So that is 2 B300Ks and the head unit. So these brackets mount on the back of the unit, and then these swinging bits rotate and grab them. And then you are locked onto the cart. So it allows some vertical movement, but keeps them from coming free. Let's go see. Okay, here we are with the trolley loaded up with the Apex. This is what it's designed to do. I'm out in my yard because I have all-terrain tires, and it wasn't actually too bad. It rolls on the front caster wheels. You can actually tip it back and roll it around. The front caster wheels are they're solid. Nice solid rubber, and they are locking swivels. This cart is beefy. I think it weighs 17 to 20 pounds by itself. And then I've got two B300Ks on there and the Apex itself. So this is 84 pounds. Those are 65 pounds each. That's 215 pounds of equipment. Plus, I'm guessing this is about 20, so 235 pounds. I only weigh 150, but this cart is nice. Look, gang, just pick it up, swivel it around. It moves on, grass just fine. And so in the back is the locking here. Oh, so they are locked in. So check this out. It's not going anywhere. They are locked in via those brackets. So they sent 6 brackets, and 6 brackets come with it. 2 for each unit, 2 for the Apex, 2 for the B300K, 2 for the B300K. So that's 6 brackets. That is what this is designed to hold. It is, I'm out of height here. These brackets do, I'll bring in and we'll do a close-up of this, but to open and close the capture rails, you pick up on each side, and then they swivel in and out to grab the unit, and then they click down and lock. Here are 2 little arms that you pinch, and that will release the handle so you can get some extension and leverage. It also releases the folding mechanism at the bottom so you could fold it up. You can also do that by just kicking down on this this bar here, and that will allow you to fold the table up. Obviously, if it's not in use. But this thing is it is beefy. You can just you can lay it down on its back if you wanted to. It's fine. It's everything is solid in there, very solidly held. So now you've got an Apex you can take on the go. It does make it pretty wide with the tires hanging out there, but I like it. It's 240 pounds of portable power. So in this stack here, and they are connected, and the Apex is powered up. I don't know if you can see the screen there, but again, I'll come in and show a little closer. You can at least see the lights are on. See the screen, everything's connected, powered up. So right here we have about 8.5 kilowatt hours of energy and 3,840 continuous watts. I don't want to say maybe take it camping, but you could wheel this around on your property. It's not a one-person lift to get into a route of a vehicle in this configuration, but it does break apart pretty easily. Load in a truck, do whatever else. I like it. Let's come in close. Let's see how steady. Let's see how steady I can hold this. So there's this retaining strap here. This goes to a little slot on the front of the platform to hold it in the folded / stowed position when you're not using it. But I mean, look at this. This is all very nice, welded, powder coated. There's some shots of the bracketry going on there. And let me pop the Apex free. And I'm not going to pull it out completely because it is connected to the B300K over there. But just getting the angle here. So you can see the bracket attached there, lower brackets, and then these rails. So they pivot like that and capture. They go up and then they pop in this little hole here. So you pivot up, down, and you can see down the line there that we are captured in the B300Ks below. So it's seemingly a very solid system. It's yeah, and these brackets are beefy. And also, maybe it's just this unit. My unit here is a pre-production demo unit, but the brackets on it are a little bit loose with these screws. I think they might be a little bit too long for the studs in here. But the B300Ks are very, very solid. So I may just get some shorter screws for this. I'm going to talk to the people at Bluetti and see what they have to think about that.